Let us start exercise 3.6 of CBSE class 10th maths. Question number 1 of exercise 3.6 part 8th. The question is given here, that is 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4, and in the second equation 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 3x minus y bracket closed is equal to minus 1 by 8. 3x plus y is in the denominator in both the equation, and in the second part of it you see the 3x minus y and 3x minus y are also in the denominator part. So with the help of cross multiplication you can solve it here. 3x plus y, because as it is in denominator we will invert the formula. First of all I will write the denominator part, that is 1 into minus 1 by 2, 1 into minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1, means this is LD left to down, this is LU left to up. So I have written here. Now for the denominator here, minus 1 by 2 means left to up. Minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 4, minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 minus LD 1 into minus 1 by 8, 1 into minus 1 by 8. So solve it, you see half 1 by 2 minus and half 1 by 2 minus will be equal to plus 1, minus 1, and you solve this, you will get, after solving, you see 3 by 8 minus 3 by 8 and plus 1 by 8. So you will get minus 2 by 8. Solve it, you will get in the denominator 1 by 4, that 4 will go up and minus will be cancelled. So ultimately you will get 3x plus y is equal to 4. Similarly for 3x minus y equal to 1 into minus 1 by 2, you see LD left to down means 1 into minus 1 by 2, that is LD 1 into minus 1 by 2 minus left to up 1 by 2 minus LU, that is minus 1 by 2 into 1 whole upon LD 1 into 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8. So 1 into minus 1 by 8 minus LU left to up. So 1 by 2 into 3 by 4, 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. You solve it, in the numerator you will get minus 1, in denominator you will get 1 by 2. So that 2 will go up. Now we have got 3x plus y equal to 4 and 3x minus y equal to 2. On adding, 6x will be equal to 6, so x will be equal to 1. 2y is equal to, on subtraction you will get 2y will be equal to 2, therefore the y will be equal to 1. Now proceed to the question number 2. Formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and hence find their own solution. You see the question is like this. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and speed of the current. So here I have assumed, let x be the speed of the rowing in the still water and y be the speed of current. So downward speed is x plus y and upward speed is x minus y kilometer per hour. The formula used here will be the time is equal to distance upon speed. So the 20 kilometer while it is rowing downstream. So 20 divided by x plus y equal to 2. This is downstream. So ultimately solve it, you will get x plus y is equal to 10. Now here, while upstream going, at that time speed will be x minus y. So 4 upon x minus y is equal to 2. This is upstream. So x minus y equal to 2 hour. On adding 1 and 2, we get 2x is equal to 12. Therefore, x is equal to 6 km per hour. On subtraction, that is second from first, we get 2y is equal to 8. And therefore, y is equal to 4 km per hour. Second question, second part of this, question number 2, that is 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work, and also that taken by one man alone. You see here, let x be the number of days for one woman to complete the work, and let y be the number of days for a man to complete the work. Therefore, the one-day work of a woman is 1 upon x. One-day work of a man is 1 upon y. So according to the question, 4 days work will be of one woman will be 4 upon x, and for 2 women it will be multiplied by twice. So 4 into 2 by x plus for man, that is 1 by y work in 1 day. So for 4 days it will be 4 by y, and for 5 men it will be 4 into 5 divided by y. So this is the, according to the question, it will be the complete work will be 1. So solve it, you will get 8 by x plus 20 by y equal to 1. This is the work, complete work. This is the work done by the women, and this is the work done by men. So from the second statement, you see, in 3 days work will be 3 by x, and for 3 women it will be multiplied by 3. So 3 3 is 9. 9 by x will be the work done by 3 women in 3 days. Similarly, for 6 men, the work will be 3 by y into 6. That will be equal to 1 complete work. So the 9 by x plus 18 by y is equal to 1. This will be the second equation. From first and second equation, you can find the value of x. You see, the x is in the denominator and y is also in the denominator. You can straightway find out the value. It is my humble advice to you that before going to the exercise 3.6, you should see the previous 2 videos so that you can easily understand what is left up and left down formula. So here x is equal to 18 into 8 minus 20 into 9 whole upon 18 into 1 minus 20 into 1. Here you see left to down, left to up, and in the denominator part 18 into 1, that is left to up, LU. Left to down, that is from left to down, that is minus LD, which I have done here. So multiply 18 into 8, that will be 144. 20 into 9, that is 180. 18 into 1, that is 18. 20 into 1, that is 20. Solve it, you will get minus 36 upon minus 2, that is 18. So 18 days for a woman. Y will be equal to, you see that numerator will remain same as it is, 18 into 8 minus 20 into 9 whole upon 8 into 1 minus 9 into 1, that is, you go further detail of that formula, that is left to down, left to up, means LD minus LU. Here I have done it. Again you see the 144 minus 180 whole divided by 8 minus 9, that is minus 36 upon minus 1. Solve it, you will get 36 days for a man to complete the embroidery work. Now proceed to the third part of the question number 2, that is Rohi travels 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and the remaining by bus. If she travels 100 km by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. Here you see I supposed that let x be the speed of the train and y be the speed of the bus. According to the question, $60 by x plus 300 minus 60 by y is equal to 4. So ultimately solve it, you will get 60 by x plus 240 by y is equal to 4. Now divide the complete left hand side both sides by 4, we will get 15 by x plus 60 by y is equal to 1. From the second statement, you see 100 km divided by, that is 100 divided by x plus 300 minus 100, means that is the remaining distance. So 300 minus 100 by y is equal to 4 plus 10 by 60. This is 10 minutes extra, that is I have converted it into hours by dividing it by 60. So 0 will be cancelled and 6 4 are 24, 24 plus 1 25. So here I have written 25 by 6. 100 by x plus 200 by y is equal to 25 by 6. Now divide the complete both sides here by 25. We will get 4 by x plus 8 by y equal to 1 by 6. So these are the two equations. 15 by x plus 60 by y is equal to 1. 4 by x plus 8 by y is equal to 1 by 6. Solve this. You see 15 into 8 means 15 into 8 LD, left to down, minus 4 into 60, 4 into 60, left to up, whole upon LU, that is 8 into 1. You see I have to, while we are finding, we will just cover the x part. So 8 into 1 minus 60 into 1 by 60. You see 60 into 1 by 6, sorry. 60 into 1 upon 6. Solve it, you will get 120 minus 240 upon 8 minus 10, that will be equal to minus 120 by minus 2, that is 60 kilometer per hour. You see, for y, 15 into 8, you see 15 into 8 means left to down, minus LU means left to up. So 15 into 8 minus 4 into 60 whole upon, for y, you see, we will cover the y portion, and 15 into 1 by 6. So 15 into 1 by 6 minus LU, that is left to up, means 4 into 1, 4 into 1. Solve it, you will get 120 minus 240, that will be equal to 5 by 2 minus 4. Solve it further, you will get minus 120 by 3 multiplied by 2 also. You see this, here you will get 1 by, sorry, here you, once you solve it, you will get minus 3 by 2, that 2 will go up. So 40 to the 80, so 80 kilometer per hour will be the speed of the bus.